Thanksgiving Day weekend. We got lots of fun stuff in store, so stay tuned and see what's going on. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Hey everybody, it's time for a little fun for the Thanksgiving Day weekend, and that is going to be your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, November 25th, 26th, and 27th. Lots of great stuff going on, amazing sales, amazing new places opening up, and we're here for it. So let's get into it and kick this thing off with Friday. 8 a.m. RSD Black Friday at Park Avenue CDs. 9:30 a.m. Thanksgiving weekend celebration at Charles Hosmer Morse Museum of American Art. And it's free, going on now until November 27th. 1 p.m. Pernod Ricard Friendsgiving at the Ravenous Pig. 1 p.m. Get ready to party. The Gnarly Barley has a parking lot party, World Cup watch party. So come on out and enjoy. 4 p.m. on Friday, Brew Theory Marketplace grand opening celebration at Brew Theory. 7 p.m. Night of Destruction at Orlando Speed World Oval Track. $10 to $30 to get you into this amazing night of destruction. 7:30 p.m. Stepping Out with Irving Berlin at Winter Park Playhouse. $20 up to $46. Thursdays through Sundays now until December 17th. Come on out and support local theater. 8 p.m. Turkey Hangover Party, Milking the Turkey and the Seaside at Stardust Video and Coffee. And it's free, so come on out and support local businesses and enjoy some amazing local music. 9 p.m. Tam Tam TV Dinner. Dean Malenko and the Backbreakers at Uncle Lou's. Donations will be accepted for these performances, so come on out and show them some love. And last but not least for your Friday, Taylor Swift Midnight's DJ Dance Party at West End Trading Company. $11 up to $15 will get you into this great day of fun. All right, guys, if you're still looking for even more adventure, maybe you're ready to get started on some Christmas. We got that for you, too. Just go over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page, and you will see that we post a new event post every single day at the top of our page. So you can go and check it out. It uploads the day before at about 2 p.m. So if you want to get a jump start on the next day, you can find it there. All right, guys, so let's get into it. And Saturday, here we come. 7 a.m. on Saturday, grand opening party at Framework Craft Coffee House, 1050 North Mills Avenue, Orlando. Free hot coffee or cold brew to first 25 customers. And there's merch giveaway raffles, winter specialty menu drop, free vegan cake while supplies last, and champagne toast in the evening. Vendors, food trucks, music, and so much more. So make sure you pop in and check out this great new addition to the neighborhood. 8 a.m. on Saturday, Small Business Saturday at Waterford Lakes Town Center. Come on out and find your best Christmas deals. 9 a.m. Orlando Pottery Festival and Holiday Arts Market, 5505 Hansel Avenue, Orlando. Come on out and get your hands dirty and make something awesome. 10 a.m. Fusion Fest at Cinef Arts Plaza at Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts. It's a free 2-day event, so make sure you pop in and check it out. Time to get with your community and just have a great time. 11 a.m. Vegan Thanksgiving Festival, Brazilian fun foods, stuffed churros, yuca sandwiches, empanadas, and more. The outlet at Persimmon Hollow Brewing Company. 12 p.m. Small Business Saturday pop-up market at the House on Lang. Coming out to this great free event. Find all the amazing things that you know your family's going to love and all your friends too. Maybe a couple things for yourself. And enjoy supporting small business. 4 p.m. Live Screenings International Short Film Festival at Winter Park Public Library. 5 p.m. on Saturday, Trinity of Terror Tour, Ice 9 Kills, Motionless in White, Black Veil Bridges, Atreyu at Orlando Amphitheater. $50 to get into this amazing concert and enjoy rocking your Saturday out. 6 p.m. Skanksgiving. Control this at West End Trading Company. $12. You can come on out and enjoy a different type of Thanksgiving. 7 p.m. at Claire and the Chocolate Nutcracker at Walt Disney Theater, Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts. $39.50 and up, and you can come out and start kicking off your holidays with some amazing theater. Well, guys, it's that time. People are going to start looking for gifts. If you haven't already finished your Christmas shopping, or you're starting to look and you got somebody on your list, you just don't know what to do, we've got some awesome ideas. So check down in the description. There is a link to many of the notebooks that I've made, coloring books, password books, and of course, a variety of things from very funny to just really pretty options. You can even get food journals. If you've got somebody who's getting ready to start a new journey, this might be a great gift for them as well. So check it out, and make sure you check out my full author page for Amanda Irene Hope over on Amazon. Definitely something for everybody. All right, everybody, it's that time. We're getting ready to get into Sunday. 9 a.m. on Sunday, Ice, How the Grinch Stole Christmas at Gaylord Palms Resort. $19.99 to $39.99 going on now until January 1st. 10:30 a.m. Drag Brunch, the Queen's Remix at Island Time. 11 a.m. Sky Rooftop Sunday Brunch Party. Come on out and get your brunch on with all your favorite people and enjoy a beautiful view. 12 p.m. Peanut Butter Matinee Family Film, Bed Knobs and Broomsticks at Enzian Theater. Free for kids 12 and under. Always a great time, so come on out and enjoy this Disney classic. 12 p.m. Kinda Sorta Market at the Gnarly Barley. 1:30 p.m. Christmas Spectacular Holiday Home Tour at Stetson Mansion. $28, and it'll be going on until December 30th. Make sure you come out and check out this beautiful historical place. 5 p.m. Holy Nights Celebration at Promenade at Sunset Walk. Come on out to this free event and enjoy getting a little more Christmassy. Going on now until December 24th. Speaking of getting Christmassy, 6 p.m. Lake Nona Lights at Boxy Park in Lake Nona. And it is free, so come on out and light up your life. Going on now until December 31st. 8 p.m., swim. Timothy Erie, Way Out at Will's Pub, $12 to $15 to get you in. Come on out, guys, and support local musicians. They are amazing, and you're not going to be disappointed. And, of course, you can always check out some of the great selections at Will's Pub, from merchandise to amazing brews on tap all the time, and your favorites in the cooler. And if you want a craft cocktail, well, they got you covered. So come on out and check them out. All right, guys, and last but not least for your Sunday night, 8:30 p.m., Dazzling Nights at Harry P. Luke Gardens. All right, guys, they actually have shows at 5:30, 5:45, 6:15, 6:30, 7 p.m., 7:15 p.m., 7:30, all the way up until 9 p.m. They'll be going. So make sure you stop in and check it out. That is going to be it for this weekend. If you want more, you know where to go. Make sure you drop us a comment. Let us know what your favorite Thanksgiving Day food is. And other than that, guys, peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.